Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more mocktail. Mocktail name is Dragon Bull Mocktail. How to make Dragon Bull Mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass and add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to add some barley syrup, 20 ml of barley syrup, and you have to add 20 ml of dragon syrup. 20 ml of dragon syrup. After that, you have to shake all the ingredients. Then take a fancy glass and pour all the ingredients. Then simply top up with Red Bull. See, your Dragon Bull mocktail is ready. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.